Hello, today I want to talk about, continue talking about my management tips. I have been talking about leadership. And today I wanted to talk one of the most important things in the leadership, that is being a very good communicator. A true leader is a wonderful communicator. So what that means that a leader needs to have, it's not only that it's going to be the good communication, it's going to be the great skills. Is that the communication is going to be the cornerstone of the real leadership. It will enhance the trust, it will enhance the productivity, and it will enhance the clarity. So a good communication, first of all, had to have clarity. Had to have clarity, had to be clear in the message. He had to share the what is going to be done, why it has to be done, and how it's going to be done. A good leader not only has to be clear with the message, he has to have empathy. He has to hear the other. It's not only talking, it's hearing the others. So a true leader is somebody that hears. The true leader is that really is having the feedback, and he is adapting to the audiences. So he will craft his message depending on the audience. That doesn't mean that it's gonna say different thing. No, he's gonna craft it to be clear in the message he's providing. Because one of the things that's important is the clarity, avoiding misunderstanding, and this is something that you can do it in your life, and you can do it also in your business. So a true leader is something that has to have self-awareness also. A true leader really needs to know his strengths and also his weakness, because a true leader, if he recognizes the weakness, he will pass the message to his team that he will truly need them, that he really will need from them. So that are part of what that true leader is. If you want to continue hearing more about this Friday, I'm going to be talking with my friend Charles Ham about what is the leadership in your life and in your business. Hear us. It's going to be this Friday, 7 p.m. Central Time. And continuing hearing me, I'm going to be writing in my newsletter. And if you want to know more, this is part of my coaching program, so you can contact me and we can be talking about this. Thank you very much. And remember that in motto in life is never give up, never lose the faith. Thank you very much.